Hey, Uzi, can you throw that box at me? I thought you said you weren't mad at me.
I'm not.
What is up, everyone? We're here today for an episode of You Make It, We Skate It, the series in which you create us some incredible skateboards and we skateboard on them. There you go. We have enough. Hey, quiet on the set.
What is that?
Whoa.
What is this, Gabe? Gabe, what is this?
Just wait, just wait. All right. Hey, Braille. I've watched your channel for a couple years now, and I always wanted to make a board for the You Make It, We Skate It series. I don't even skate, but the craziness and ingenuity of boards made it interesting to watch. I finally tapped into my passion for engineering and programming and created this skateboard.
Programming.
That's a Venmo.
It's made to count how long. I will only not be mad because you made that.
That was it. That was nice.
That was sick. Okay. It's made to count how long your manuals are and then tell you the time in seconds. It uses a small computer called a microcontroller to read a signal from an accelerometer to sense the angle of the board. It also has a custom CNC machined aluminum bump guard with the Braille logo to help protect the electronics. I had tons of fun building it, and I have a video of the build process on my channel, RadLab. Hope you guys have as much fun using it as I did making it. And there's this channel right there if you want to subscribe.
What's up with the QR
Shane,
code?
that is amazing.
So let's get this open, and then I'm gonna let you do it so you don't complain about me screwing it up like you always do.
Good, thank you. Finally.
Oh.
Gabe always does everything wrong.
Dang.
So here,
That is it.
We got a robot.
so here we
We
are.
got a robot.
AI is coming into
Yeah, I
skating
think
right now.
I've titled like 18 videos, the world's most technologically advanced skateboard, but this takes the cake. Oh, look at, he really did do the custom CNC machine to protect it. There's like, it's rails for,
What is
wow.
going on
That's
with
cool.
That is actually really cool.
Oh,
It's a good
that's a
product
fresh
right here.
CCS.
Oh,
Look at
it
this,
is, huh?
this? AI's here.
Is that? Oh.
Brill, I'm skateboarding Rick.
That is sick.
What does that say?
Hey, Brill, I'm skateboarding Rick.
Is that Rick? Is that like the Rick?
I think it's
No,
him.
I know, it's Rick from Rick and Morty, right?
Yeah, but I think that's his voice.
No, I know, but it's supposed to be,
Yeah,
right?
Pickle Rick, but Skateboard Rick.
What the heck?
It counts manuals up to 30 seconds.
That was about 2 seconds.
I think regular manuals, Nigel, not.
Nah, I think that will work. I think it will work.
Yeah, it's regular.
Let's put it flat. That?
Yeah. All right, try it on this side.
Maybe rolling?
Just turn. Yeah. See what happens. All right, now put down.
That was 3 seconds.
Oh, there you go.
What is going on?
Do like just do a tail scrape. Do a tail scrape. Do a tail
I
scrape.
think the angle's off there.
That was about 2 seconds.
Yeah.
It says not to try and land on the cloud. I got an idea.
Oh!
So the angle's just off there. I wonder if you can recalibrate it. See, it's
That was about 2 seconds.
It does need a really extreme angle. That's what it is.
Oh, yeah, look, it's going. Put down.
4 seconds.
4 seconds.
I think you just got to scrape.
it might be actually.
Oh.
Works perfectly if you tail scrape, but if you're balancing, I feel like the calibration's not quite there yet.
That was about 2 seconds. That was about 2 seconds.
Oh, you all right, Rick? He's a little rusty.
What?
That was about 2 seconds.
If you do less than 1 second, doesn't say anything.
I think you have to be moving.
I think it's just the angle,
Look
like
it, hold on, watch.
that's It
This
will
is
work.
definitely longer than 2 seconds.
It will work. 4 seconds.
I'll say that was 6 seconds.
But look, I think if it's here, it's not enough.
That was about 2 seconds.
All right.
So you need to do like you need to do a deep manual.
Is there like a sensor that it's sensing like the ground? I don't know. Maybe you could just dust that off a little bit. You know what I'm saying?
17 seconds.
All that for nothing.
That was 24 seconds.
12 seconds.
No, I said 24.
Oh, that made me tired. Well, that's upsetting. I was really excited to see how long I can hold the manual.
What if I like jump into manual?
But do a tail scrape, everything exactly the same, but tail scrape. I guarantee it works.
That was 3 seconds.
It's just like it needs to be like really.
So it needs to be calibrated like slightly lower.
That was about 2 seconds.
Nothing, huh?
Dang, this is awesome though.
Yeah, this is really
4
cool.
seconds.
Just the incline needs to be calibrated.
What if we do the longest tail scrape challenge?
I'm gonna sit this one out just because I can't run right now, but
All right, boys, we got a little challenge that we're gonna do here. Are y'all ready to rumble? So this is calibrated to count manuals, but the calibration is slightly off and it needs to be a steeper angle for it to calibrate. Are you good, my brother? So basically the only way that this is calibrated correctly is if you do a tail scrape on the ground. So we're gonna do the longest tail scrape challenge. Everyone has 3 tries to do their longest tail scrape, and Rick right here is gonna be the judge.
In here?
In here, yes.
Okay.
Starting at the line.
nothing. Didn't register. No score.
So I get a no score for the first round?
No score. It didn't register.
Damn!
No register. No register. No score.
That was about 2 seconds.
Oh, Rick's got 2 seconds. What's the plan, Stan?
This video game.
I'm checking his channel. Does your phone ever do that thing where it just doesn't want to click a certain letter?
1 1,000. 2 1,000.
4 seconds.
Yeah, you gotta get every number. 1, 2, 3.
That was 3 seconds.
Oh!
Got 3 seconds?
Okay, so we got 2 and we got 3. Now get 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7, 8, 9.
4 seconds.
Oh my
seconds?
god!
First try.
Okay, 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I'll say that was 6 seconds.
Oh my god. Alright, get 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
4 seconds.
4 seconds? Now.
Quick.
I'll say that was 6 seconds.
I got 5.
Cool. That was 5 seconds.
Whoa! Alright.
Dang!
7.
6 seconds.
Cool. That was 5 seconds.
Now we get 5?
And then I get 5 seconds.
I'll say that was 6 seconds.
Oh my god. Alright, 7. Yep. Quick! Quick!
Oh man, 12 seconds.
feel like it's about double.
Yeah.
Now.
Yeah.
Now. Now!
Way too far.
Go.
13 seconds.
19.
You said 19?
I'm
Yeah?
watching this video. It's insane.
That was like 7 seconds.
Oh my gosh!
No, way too fast.
That was 8 seconds.
Oh!
That's 3 for 3.
Nigel probably wakes up in the morning and goes, Nigel, it's time to go to work.
That was about 9 seconds.
Oh my gosh!
Down, baby.
That was about 9 seconds.
Oh.
Look at Captain Morgan over there.
Now.
Nice. 10 seconds.
Yeah! Let's go! I like how this turned into this shit.
I thought we were going to 9 seconds, and then I heard 10. I was like, damn it, I failed. But then I realized I was going for 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 12, 21, 22, 23, 29.
11 seconds.
Oh!
12 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now. 11.
That was about 14 seconds.
Nigel, if you get 12 first try, I will give you 12 cents.
I'll give you 12 cents per second.
So you give him $1.44?
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
11 seconds.
Oh my gosh!
That was about 14 seconds.
Do 12 and 13 not exist in Rick's universe?
Maybe he got rid of 13 like an elevator.
I'm just gonna pull up a random picture of an elevator. That's funny they gave me an elevator.
I thought you loved luck and stuff. Look, the door's open right now.
Oh man, 12 seconds.
That's what we wanted, right?
Oh, I got it! Let's go!
It's called triskaidekaphobia. It's an extreme superstition regarding the number 13. It's a real phenomenon.
9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my god.
14.
Look at this elevator. What do we, should we do like a real manual to end the video? I mean, if we get 13, I feel
No,
like
it's
we're good.
13. Yeah, we're on
All right,
13.
let me get 13.
Seconds.
14 or 13?
I couldn't hear what it said.
11 seconds.
Nigel.
Now, that is way more
Give me a
dangerous.
handshake.
No,
Give me a
that is way more dangerous.
handshake.
Why are you punishing us?
If I say something, you probably won't put it in the video, but this is some extreme.
Do it.
Look at Uzi, he's out. He's about to leave. He's about to go home.
No, I can't hear
16 seconds.
it. Uzi, shush! I'm conjuring spirits right now.
Oh man, 12 seconds.
Dang it! I got it. Yes, that's what I was just gonna do. Dan, now we're getting somewhere. Now we're getting somewhere.
2, 1.
Alright, we'll tell you when, Nigel.
Okay.
That was about 14 seconds.
That was close.
Oh, okay. Wait. Wait,
No
no.
way we've been off. Like, it hasn't been
Count
feeling
down
like...
3, 2, 1, and then down.
Alright.
2, 1.
Okay, you're at 7, 8, 9, 10.
3, 2, 1, go.
13 seconds.
14 seconds, you ready?
That just proves how terrible we are
That's
at counting.
actually crazy.
So I guess
So-
I'm just good at counting.
So, Dan, can we now agree that this skateboard is not an elevator?
Yes.
All right, we'll now get 14.
Fifth
All right, ready?
plus.
9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi, 11 Mississippi, 12 Mississippi, 13 Mississippi. Now!
That was about 14 seconds.
Wow. Wow. Okay. Okay. No. No. Here's
All
the
we had
real.
to do was time exactly how long.
All right. Here's the real test. All right. Get 21. Or get. What do you want to get? 15?
23. I hate that number. It's everywhere.
Go for
23 seconds.
Oh my gosh.
Wow! If I didn't see it with my own eyes, I wouldn't believe it.
That was crazy.
I'm that guy.
Hey Siri.
All right, here. All right.
Hey
now,
Siri.
here's the final
Heal
test.
my ear.
Here's the final test.
29.
How accurate is Siri? Siri, set a timer for 29 seconds.
You're out of here.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
28 seconds.
Oh, that was
Siri
close.
is less accurate than Nigel. You heard it here first. There's some videos right there. Go and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave those comments below. And a huge thanks to Shane for building us this incredible thing. If you want us to send it back so you can go ahead and do some calibrations, and then we can do kickflips into manuals and do the longest manual off for like 5 minutes long, go ahead and let us know, and we'll send it right back. Thank you very much.